quality, but to improve innovation. So our customer feedback is, if we thought about it, this should be like the starting point of our agile cycle, right?
As test leaders, we need to remind ourselves that we are the authorities of testing and validation for our development groups. It's a real position of empowerment, right? We want to try to steer away from just simply following someone else's lead, and we want to be able to drive the discussion of testing across our organizations.
I'd invite those people over to see what the company was about before I even started the hard sell. Just showing them what we are, how fun we are, what we're doing, experience some of what the new code is that we're working on.
There's testing, the mechanics of testing, the discovery, and storytelling. All these things testers do, and these are all the roles they have: life site quality excellence, program manager, practice evangelist, leader, and now agile coach. All mapped into one thing.
Hi, I'm Tanya Kravtsov, a director of QA at Audible, the world's largest producer of audiobooks. One of the things I love most about my job is eliminating manual bottlenecks in the software delivery process while raising the bar on quality. I'll be speaking at the Test Leadership Congress this June 4th-6th in New York City about 10 steps to continuous delivery. As Mark Twain said, continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. So if you're passionate about continuous improvement like I am, then see you in New York.
My name is Joel, and I'm going to be talking about that in my session during this great conference. So let's take a step back. Are we supposed to be testing? Yes, of course we are, but are we supposed to be the sole testers in our companies and in our teams? Simply we cannot be doing that anymore, and I guess that a lot of the other sessions in the conference are going to be talking about that. What I want to do in this session is actually go a little bit more deeper into everything that we're listening all the time.
Hi, my name is Gita Klitko. I'm an Agile coach from Europe. My main focuses within Agile is working with communication and interactions between people. I find that these are some of the areas where people really need help, because processes they can read about, but how they interact is something that is more difficult.
Hi, my name is Lalit Bhamre. I'm Chief Editor and Co-founder of Data with Testers magazine, and I'm also working with Zing SA Germany as Senior Test Engineer. From 4th to 6th June in New York, I'm speaking at Test Leadership Congress Conference, and I would like to invite you to join my masterclass there around promoting whole team testing approach in your team, in your organization. In this workshop, we are going to talk and learn about the skills you will need as a tester to promote whole team testing approach and lead without being a titled leader. See you there.
Hello everyone, I'm Shikha Singh. I work as a QA engineer at D3 Banking here in Omaha, Nebraska. I am going to be speaking at Test Leadership Congress this June 4th to 6th in New York. I will talk about millennials and automation. Did you know that millennials constitute about 40% of the US workforce? We will learn more about this, and I will see you soon in New York.
Hi, I'm Anna Roisman. For the 3 years in a row, the most passionate quality assurance and testing professionals from all over the world are joining me at Test Leadership Congress, which is the conference for people who are leading the quality and testing effort in different organizations. And this year I am inviting you to join us